विशिष्टं रूपं सकृजं पुरीं माधुरीं गोष्ठवाटिं राधाकुण्डं गिरिवरमुहुं राधिका माधवासं भक्तजस्य प्रथितकृपया श्रीगुरुतं नतोऽस्मि। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप परामर्शं ददाति सदान्तिकम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the respect of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siravan Lushmi Maharaj, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siravan Lushmi Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Shiva Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presently all of my respectful guests. I am very happy. You also invite me to speak some few words, though I am completely unqualified. Although I kakari koila guru, Chaitanya Chaitanya Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also said. You know, crow making what sound? Ka 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 ka. No one like to listen the sound of the crow. If the crow singing, no one listen. Everybody avoid cholo cholo cholo. But Guru Vaishnava, how they are very merciful. They are giving chance to the crow as like me, giving me chance to speak the glorification of Srila Rupa Goswami. Just I want to speak few words because there are many high class self-reliance persons. I am very near and dearest of Gurudev, many years, this Sadhu Guru Vaishnavas. I think they spoke very nice, beautiful glorification of Srila Rupa Goswami. Just I want to speak few words. That is called the Ching the Truth. Yours remnant I want to take. Nothing else. Just I remember how Gurudev is very merciful. Every year he also called all his followers that you have to come. Their disappearance of Rupa Goswami path. Because Gurudev is completely absorbed with his own transcendental constitution for Siddha. Because sadhaka two stages. One is the sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena, chatrahi. Srila Rupa Goswami path has written. Sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena. Sadhaka rupena, as he is sadhak form, Bhajya Dehi Kari Nam Sankirtan. In his sadhak form, he chanted holy names, performing Nam Sankirtan, many things. और सिद्ध देह करे और राधा कृष्ण सेवन in his Siddha Deva, transcendental constitutional form Siddha Deva, always absorbed to serve his Ishta Deva. Gurudev, is Raman Manjari. So he absorbed in his service to how to serve his Ishta Deva. So Rupa Goswami Pad also explains Sadhaka Rupena, Siddha Rupena Chatrahi. In the same way, Brajaloko Anusarata. Brajaloko Anusarata. How Brajavasis, they perform their activities in the household activities, but their mind always absorbed with Krishna, Krishna. Jaduhani, Abohani, Mathana Pralipo, Trenchit Sanadvo, Ludito, Chanamarjo Nadu, Gayanti Chaino, Rakta, Dhiosrukanto, Dhanna, Bratastriyo, Urukrama, Chittayana. Srimad Bhagavatam. Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj how the Brajavasis, the residents of Braj, especially Braj Gopis, because Braja Loko Anu Sarato, Anu Sri Dhatu, Anu that means Nirantar, constantly. Sri Dhatu, that they call Sri, that they call Bhargava root. Sri means to always follow. That means how Brajavasis, their mind always absorbed with Krishna. When they milking the cows, Godhan, when they milking the cows, Jahadurani, what they chanting? Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Krishna Jadava Saketi, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. Sukadeva Goswami Pad told him, Maharaj, when they come milking the cow, when they perform their household duties, then also they absorb with Krishna, cleaning their courtiers, or even they taking care of their children, whatever they are doing, they also absorb with Krishna. In the same way, we see all our Guru Vargas, Guru Parampara. Sadhaka Rupena Siddha Rupena. Sadhaka Rup, Nam Sankirtan. Sadhaka Dehi Kare Nam Sankirtan. In Sadhaka they have performed Nam Sankirtan. Or Siddha they have absorbed with service is Ishta Deva. So we explain the Chaitanya Charitamritam. Bajya or Antars, यही दो. Bajya means external or Antar means internal. Internal and external, internal. They are sufficient, always going on this. We see in the same way Rupa Goswami Pad. In Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela is called Rupa Goswami Pad. In Radha Krishna's Leela, Rupa Manjari. That we heard Madhisi also told. Rupanugata Bhajan Pranami. The process how to serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari. But question is coming, how will serve to Srimati Radhika? Radha Tattva is very, very high and very, very confidential, not so easy to attain. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad in his Radha Sudhanidhi Grantha, very humble he told, जो ब्रह्म श्लोक नारद भीष्म लक्ष्य आलकित नवसस पुरुष सतस्व सद्दो वसुन चुन अनंत शक्ति तम राधिका चरण रेणु अनुस्मरामि. जो ब्रह्म श्लोक नारद भीष्म ब्रह्मा द्वादश ब्रह्मा जी, he is among of the 12 Mahajan. Suka, Narada, Bhishma. Not so easy to attain the lotus feet of Krishna. Even Brahmaji, in his meditation, sometimes Krishna manifests his lotus feet, sometimes not. Krishna Deva Bhavantan Bande. Jaddavi Samadhisu Vidhi Rupi Paswati Natava Nakhagra Marichin. So many things are explained. Brahman, Suka, Bhishma, Lakshya, Radha, Nasasa Purushottvas. Saddho Vasmituna Anant Satyam Tam Radhika Charnanu Smarami. Even Krishna, who is the supreme personality of Godhead, sang Bhagavan. Sometimes Krishna, they think, how I will receive the dust, a full dust of Srimati Radhika. There are many slokas also explained, Tasya Kadavi Vasarancha, Kalanatta Dhannadi Dhanna Pavanana Kitarthamani, Jagendra Durgam Gati Madhusudanobi, Tassatunamo Vishobhanu Bhuvo Dishobi. Prabhupada Saraswati Pada. Radha Krishna Leela, that's called. What copy? क्या हुई प्रबोधानंद सरस्वती पाद तुंगविद्या and now in Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad. What is it? I pay my obeisances to that the corner where Srimati Radhika is. Very far, not so easy to attain to Srimati Radhika. Jassa Kadavi Vasarantan Khelanatha Dhannati Dhanna Pavanana Kitartha Mani Jagendra Durgam Gati Madhusudanoki Tassatuno Visavhanu Bhuvati So. Even Krishna, who is called the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he can't attain to Srimati Radhika. At that point when Srimati Radhika did man, and Srimati Radhika is standing other side of Radha Kunda. Man Prasad. Srimati Radhika is very angry. I think he man. For this anger coming. And now Srimati Radhika's sweet fragrance of her body touch her clothes and the air blowing Krishna. And Krishna when just taking the smell of Srimati Radhika's cloth. Then Krishna is saying, Dhannati Dhanna Pavanana Kitartha Mani. Here Pavan Dev, the presiding deity of air. Pavan Dev, your life is successful. Because you are playing with the cloth of Srimati Radhika and you are bringing some smell of body of Srimati Radhika. So Dhannati Dhanna Pavanana Kitartha Mani. That means in this verse, Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, he explained Radha Tattva is very, very confidential and very, very far, not easy to attain. And now how possible? How possible to attain these types of bhava? So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, they explain Shri Krishna, what's his name? Grantha. Shri Krishna Govinda Lilamrit Grantha explain also this verse. Duraho Opi is very, very rare, not easy to attain this prayer. But one hope you can get. If we completely surrender to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gaura Sundar. Because Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Vinde Vinde Bhuva Kidapunna Punja Tatha Tata Sarvidi Hiri Kasma Radha Padambuju Sudhamburashi. Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Vinde. If we completely, absolutely surrender to the feet of Sachinandan Gaur Rashi, there is only one hope if we absolutely surrender to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Sachinandan Gaur Hari in this Kali Yuga, he promised In this Kali Yuga, I will distribute this praying to everybody without any discrimination. I will not make any discrimination. Jare dekhe tare then prem bilai. Whatever is coming in front of him, he is giving this prayer. Take this. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the embodiment of magnificent and magnanimous. Udarjimay Vigraha Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very nearest and dearest, Rupa Goswami. My Gurudev Bhaman Goswami Maharaj once he told, Kechit karma avalamaka, Kechit jnana avalamaka. Banks to Haridasana, Padatrano avalamaka. Let me see when we stop.
In about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes.
15 minutes, okay. Kechit karma avalamaka, Kechit jnana avalamaka. Banks to Haridasana, Padatrano avalamaka. Someone also following the karma path of karmi. Some also following the path of Gyan Marga. Banks to Haridasana Padatrana Avalambaka. But we will follow the footsteps of Vaishnava. Even not Vaishnava, those who are carrying the shoes of the Vaishnava. Padatrana means shoes. That means those who are carrying the shoes of Vaishnava. I will follow their footsteps. Once Guru and disciple, they are going to take darshan, Vigraha darshan inside the temple. Then Gurudev left his shoes outside of the temple. Then disciple, he was holding the shoes of the Guru. Then shoes start to speak, hey disciple, why you are holding to me? You have to hold the lotus feet of the Guru. Then you will get mercy, then you will get bhakti. Then disciple told, no. If I left you alone, then someone steal you. चल कर ले जाए. So I have to hold to you. This is my service. If I left you alone, then someone will steal you. When Gurudev will come, then how Gurudev will walk without? So I have to hold to you. This is my service. Guru Seva. Guru Sususa Bhakta Sarva Lavinicha Sangena Sadhuna Isvara Aradhana. Prahlad Maharaj also told these slokas, his friends. Guru have to serve Gurudev, Guru Sususa. So that means I want to establish this thing. I don't know the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All the details of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Narottam Das Thakur glorified about Rupa Goswami Pad. Only one sloka. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jana Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamajjam Dadati Sapadantikam. Rupa Goswami Pad, who fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, without the mercy of Lord Chaitanya, Rupa Goswami Pad, no one can receive the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Or without the receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no one can attain the highest grade of Srimati Radhika. This is the conclusion. So now coming in this way, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explain this way. Yeah, how we attain the highest Guru Nishtha, first Nam Nishtha, Bhajan Nishtha, Radha Nishtha. There are many kinds of Nishtha steadiness, how one pointed with our Ishtadev. So in this contains Rupa Goswami and our Acharya also explain about Radha Nishtha will come. Without Radha Nishtha, no one can attain this highest prayer. So now we explain there three kinds of gopis in there. One is called Krishna Nishtha gopis. Those who are entangled with the gopis, those who are Krishna, that is Krishna Nishtha gopi. Understand? Krishna Paksha gopi. That's like Vrinda, Vrindarika, Dhanistha. They are called Krishna Nishtha gopis. Another is called Ubhay Nishtha gopis. They love both their Nishtha. As like 8 Sakis, Lalita, Visakha, their name will come. They are called Ashta Sakis, 8 Sakis. They are Ubhay means both. They love both divine Radha and Krishna. Ubhay Nishtha. And now third, that is called Radha Nishtha, Radhika Nishtha. One pointed with Srimati Radhika, Radha Nishtha. Actually, that is called the Manjari Bhav, Manjari Shiva Paddhati, the process of a Manjari. They are in this heart, that is called also Bhavollas Roti inside there. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika's all kinds of mood automatically reflected in their hearts. Radha Nishtha. So for this regard, Raghunath Das Goswami also explained, you have to follow the 3 principles. Then you attain the highest praise. Anaradha Radha Padam Bhujarenu Anasrita Binda Atavi Tat Padanka Asambhasya Tad Bhava Gambhira Chittan Kutasamo Sindhu Rashashavagava. If you want to submerge in the divine conjugal love of Radha and Krishna, then you must follow the 3 principles. First, you have to pointed with Srimati Radhika. As like the Khan, he quoted this verse, Hindi verse. Radha meri samini, मैं राधिन को दास, जन्म जन्म दिवो, वृंदावन उवास. Radha meri samini, Srimati Radhika, she is my mistress. Radha meri samini, मैं राधिन को दास. I am the maid-servant of Srimati Radhika. He is Srimati Radhika. Birth after birth, life after life. Just give me take birth in Vrindavan. But Vrindavan is where? Not everywhere, not Chandravali's place, Sati Stali. Where will take birth, where will stay? Where Srimati Radhika, playground place. Where Srimati Radhika has performed her sweet amorous pastimes with her beloved Govinda. That place. Such as Mandala, Barshana, Jabat, Kokilavan, Sevakant, etc. So Radha means, so Radha is permitted. Second, Vrindavan was, you have to stay in Vrindavan. Tannam Rucharitaji, Kutanam Smuto, Kamana Rasana, Manasini, Tistan Braje, Tadanu Ragi, Jananu Gami, Kalan Naid, Akhilam Itta Upadisa Saram. Prabhu Goswami very clearly explained in this verse, but in the process of our bhajan and sadhana. Tistan Braje, you have to stay in Braj. Tad Anuragi Tadanugami. Tad Anuragi and Tadanugami. Tad Anuragi, one side completely Anurag. Anurag means deep attachment with that divine love of Radha and Krishna. Would they give an example? If you take the one of Rasagulla, if you took out Rasagulla from the Ras melons, then that the Ras automatically are dropping. In the same way, one's heart completely colored with the Singa Rasa, Madhurya Rasa. You have to associate with him and follow their footsteps. ये तदानुरागी जन अनुगामी those are eternal associate with Krishna. नित्य सिद्ध परिकार. So अनागतरता पदाम जरूर अशांत बसलो. गंभीर चित्तान. Third, गंभीर चित्तान. One's heart is fed, colored with Radharani's prayer, Radha prayer, and associated and also listen sweet pastimes, katha, Radha Krishna's katha, very easy to attain. Sukadeva Goswami Path told Parikshit Maharaj, "Hey Rajan, hey king, I told many things to you, but finally I tell to you, hey Rajan, Lila Katha Nisevanam. You have to absorb Lila Katha. If you come in the high stage, give up everything. Only absorb with Lila Katha. Okay? In the beginning, you need Tattva Siddhanta, this is true. But when you come this stage, how to absorb with Lila Katha Nishivanam. Not other things. That is called Astakali Lila Smaranam. This is the high stage. This is not my stage, but this is true. You have to absorb this, as like our Goswamis. 6 Goswamis. Sankhapurvaka Nama Gana Nati Vikala Vasana Krito Nidra Aharya Vyahara Kadvita Chattan Dinochu Radha Krishna Punasmrite Madhurima Anandina Sammohito Bande Rupa Sanatano Raghujivo Srijivo Gopal. 6 Goswamis. How they absorb Ashtakami Lila. This is the process. Our Rupa Goswami Path, how did he perform bhajan and sadhana in 10 Kadam? Gurudev told. He wrote Grantha, many Granthas in there. But in this Granthas subject to 2 types of subject. One is called meeting, another is called separation. Milan and Virahatma Grantha. When he wrote the Viraha, separation mode, then automatically all the leaves, flowers, automatically what? They are fell. And it completely died. And when Rupa Goswami again start to write the Milanatma Grantha. Milanatma means meeting, slokas. And automatically that is completely what? Enlightenment. And automatically leaves, flowers come. Goswami's Grantha. Not only this, just take the pen and paper cut, write not this. They realized and all Leelas manifested in their heart and their writing. Gurudev told one katha, just I tell you. One sloka just you. Because college every time is over not. Vivida kusuma bindaidam viladhati Vigatita madhagurno keki vinci prasastin. Rupa Goswami Path is writing this verse. Absorb. Vivida kusuma bindaidam viladhati Vigatita madhagurno keki vinci prasastin. First like Vivida kusuma. Rupa Goswami Path he completely absorbed in his transcendental constitution from Sridhar and Rupa Mandir. Under guidance of Lalita Sakhi, collected many kinds of flowers. Madhavi Malati just made different flowers. And she made very nice, beautiful garland. And that garland, she also decorated Srimati Radhika's, what is called? Bread. This was Vivida Kusuma Bindi Dambila Dhati. Vigarita Madhapurna Keki Vinci Prasastin. In the meantime, one peacock came out from the cave of mountain or the large sun. When peacock, he is very proud, not pride, very proud. And his feather, what is called? Spread the tail. This is the nature and start to dance. This is the nature. If you go Giriraj Govardhan this time especially, and when the rain or very distinct rain, and that time peacock, they also spread their tail and start to dance. How they also very quickly dancing their legs. Very nice, beautiful. But when the peacock saw Srimati Radhika's very nice, beautiful and long curling hair, going to under the knee, and also Rupa Manjari, she decorated her Srimati Radhika's hair with these flowers. When peacock saw this, then peacock become very ascend. Then become very ascend. Everybody glorified my tails are now had Srimati Radhika's very nice, beautiful curling hair, and where is my beauty? Then peacock ran away and entered in the cave of Giriraj Govardhan. Then next line Rupa Goswami Path lighting. So we begin to Kusumgin, Dum Kadadi, Bigo to Madurno, Keke Vinci Custom, Modur but being Budkin the Tamul Rago, Surat Omolokomolom, Popolom, Radhika or Chayami. Rupa Goswami Path. Next line, what is writing? Then again Rupa Manjari, she prepared very nice, beautiful beetle nut, pan. Then Rupa Manjari say, offered to Lalita Devi, she offered to Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika, she offered to Srimati Krishna. Now Krishna is chewing. Very nice chewing. When Krishna was chewing, then Krishna's lips completely what? A reddish color. Reddish color, very shining reddish color. And Srimati Radhika, she was looking. And आँख फाड़ करके देख रही है, माने what is called? Without blinking, yeah, looking, huh? Why? Look, Krishna's feeling or Radhika's feeling completely different. First I explain. Okay, Srimati Radhika is thinking, oh, this reddish color is the symbol of Anurag. Our Goswamis also explain every color has symbol. Every symbol is there. Okay? So this reddish color is the symbol of deep attachment of Anurag. That means Srimati Radhika is thinking, oh, how Krishna is so Anurag with me. This is so. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she was looking without blinking her eyes. Looking. But Krishna is thinking another way. Krishna is thinking, oh, I am chewing the betel nuts. Maybe Srimati Radhika, she wants my remnant. Because every day Srimati Radhika, she took Krishna's remnant. So Krishna is thinking, okay, Krishna chewed the betel nut and half, and also try to give to Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika's Ahituki man has come. Causeless anger has come. Because this is the nature of love. Then Srimati Radhika, she turned her face. I don't want to take your remnant. But Krishna by force embraced to her and also kissing in her cheeks. They are written there. And very nice, beautiful spot mark coming. Krishna, when kissed on the cheek of Srimati Radhika, very nice marks will come. But you know, Thakur Kamal Manjari, he noticed these things. What he saying? Jamuna Pulin Ahorone Gia Buchibo Jugoloroso Jamuna Pulin Ahorone Gia Buchibo Jugoloroso আরে প্রেম মুগ্ধ হয়ে পাগলিনী প্রায় গাইব রাধার যশ। Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Jamuna Pulin Aharane Diya. Bhaktivinoda Thakur also completely, absolutely absorbed in the transcendental constant form Kamar Manjari. I will go Jamuna fetching water. When I saw this Leela, then I will return back in the assembly of Saki Samaj. Then I will glorify this Leela Katha. So very clear, na jaibo bone probesibo o Leela rosirotore ami griye na jaibo bone probesibo o Leela rosirotore. Bhaktivinoda Thakur singing this song. I will not return back my home, and I will be wandering in the path of Vrindavan and glorify Radha Krishna this Leela. So in this way, Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote this Grantha, and he realized everything. Without realization, Grantha is useless. So Rupa Goswami Pad, he received the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. For this regard, he wrote many granthas. Ujjal Vimani, Vidarta Madhav, Lalit Madhav, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Many granthas he wrote these things. And he also performed bhajan and sadhana this way. And he also teaches us how to perform bhajan and sadhana. When we will discuss this katha, then bhajan sadhana is starting in where? Just Madhiji told, I repeat this word. Upadeshamrita. This is very important. Gurudev told, you have to read 3 books. When we came in Bishopji Gaudiya, then he told you have to read first 3 books. Sikshastra, 8 verses of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited. Sikshastra, Upadeshamrita and Manasiksha. This is very important. Vacho vegam, manasa krodha vegam, jiha vegam, durupastra vegam, etan vegam, jo vishadhira, sarvam piman pridiving sasisra, attahara prasasya, prajalpan yamagra janasankascha, rulancha sarvi bhakti dinasati, utsad nischad dharjat tat karma pravartana, sangat tyaga sato vritti, sarvi bhakti prasiddhati. This is the process. How to step by step we will be our target is here, how to attain Radha Kunda. This is true. Further Upadeshamrita starting Vacho Ved, but finished Radha Kunda. Our Radha Kunda is not different from Srimati Radhika. Our Goswami is Rupa Goswami. In his all granthas, everything also explain how to practice bhajan and sadhana step by step, how to give also respect to the Vaishnavas. This is our duty. Babusascha dosai nakatna janasya pashet. Don't you look others' faults. If he has any defect of his body, then you should not criticize him. Gurudev told this one thing about those who criticize to Vaishnava. Actually, he is not Vaishnava. He is not starting his bhajan and sadhana. Then 2 days before I read Gurudev this katha, those are criticized to Vaishnava. Still he is not coming his bhajan and sadhana. Nothing. Zero. So Gurudev told, you don't criticize any Vaishnava. In the same way, Chaitanya Chaitanya Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami say, Kaharina Ninda Pare, Krishna Krishna Pare. Don't criticize anyone. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Panchakrupa Sindhu, Thank you for your kindness. If you have any question, you can ask. I think time is over.
Any questions?
Who has a question?
I have a question. Your Guru Maharaj, Srila Mohan Maharaj, he was quoting a verse, we should follow those who carry the shoes of the Vaishnavas. Is
That-
this a verse, or he was just saying like this?
No, no, leave that.
केचित कर्मावलंबका केचित ज्ञानावलंबका बैंस to Haridasanam Padatrana Avalamaka. This is the verse. My Gurudev, if you read Gurudev Nani Bhavan Singh Maharaj Bengali lecture, most of the time he quoted this verse. Kechit Karmalambaka, Kechit Gyanambalambaka. Someone following the karma path of karma, someone following the path of jnana knowledge. But once to Haridasana, Padatrana Avalamaka. But always I follow those who are the devotee of Lord, and they are shoes. That means shoes only. The servant. Tadvitta, vitta, vittasya, vitta, smarat, lokanatha. I will use it, that servant of Krishna. My Guru always saying this word.
Very nice. Can I show the devotees your book? I didn't see this before.
Which one?
I just want to show. I just want to show everybody this is a book. I'm seeing it for the first time. By
Not this is the many years.
Srila Bhagwan
Jewels
Maharaj.
of the Heart.
Oh, apparently it's been around for a while. I'm just seeing it. It's called Jewels of the Heart. A commentary on Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Sri Harinam Chintamani.
Actually, Gurudev gave class, then I also note my books, then I speak Harikatha, then the devotee also very nicely presented. Actually, Harinam Chintamani, how will proper way to chant holy names? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told in this Kali Yuga Nam Sankirtan, Hare Nama, Hare Nama Kevalam, Kalu Nastiva Nastiva Gatirannatha. But how to chant pure holy names? Nam, Aparad, Namabhas and Shuddhana. But how to chant the pure holy name Shuddhana? This is the process. So in this Grantha, Jewels of the Heart, in this Grantha, the conversation between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Haridas Thakur. And this is the last part of Harinam Chintamani. That is called Rasatattva Vichar, the conception of the rasas when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu discussed with Haridas Thakur. How rasa will manifest in the heart. Because Nama Rasa Sudha Hari Apan. How to you drink the Hari Nama Rasa Murta. So mostly in this Grantha I also explain how we properly chant holy names, then how we realize their Nama Rasa. Everybody chanting holy names. Gurudev told, Haridas Thakur chanted how many rounds? 3 lakhs. Rup Sanatan or Goswamis, how many rounds they are chanted? 1 lakh. Or Mahaprabhu, how many rounds he chanted? Hare Krishna. Then Mahaprabhu chanted. What is that? What is the meaning? That means what kinds of Nama Rash coming? This is the process. What is the Nam, Hari Nam? Nam, what is the Nam Rash? Prema Rash, many Rasas is there. How we attain these things? And Braj Gopis, how they also chanted Krishna, Jasi Govinda Damodar Madhavi. We are chanting also. But what is the meaning? Govinda Damodar Madhavi. What kinds of mood is coming? What is our intent in our heart? What we are feeling? Everything is also explained this. Nam Maha. Because in this Kali Yuga, you learn many Shastra. You can speak many Harikatha, many Tattva Siddhanta. But only one is a Nam, Hari Nam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. When you will end of your life, that means when you last breath, need is what? One? Nam. Means that time you cannot remember any sloka also. And that time only Hare Krishna, Ha Radhe. But this is enough. But that is enough.
So this ends our program for today. The Rup Sanatan Govind Math is having a special feast. So you might